So I'll be showing you how to use the stopwatch on your iPhone. Now I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro for this tutorial running iOS 16, but these instructions should work for pretty much any other iPhone. So look for the clock app on your iPhone. It comes pre-installed on the iPhone. So just scroll and look for this clock app. So launch it, and on the clock app you should see the option for stopwatch. So you can tap on that, and then you have two variations of the stopwatch. You have this digital stopwatch and you have this analog stopwatch. Okay, so you can use the one you want. So to start the stopwatch, just tap on start. And if you also want to record split times and save them, just you can tap on lap after every split, and then tap on lap again, and then when you're done completely, just tap on stop, and you should see a record for the stopwatch, which is 17 seconds, and you can even see the different splits in case you had something you were timing that had different splits. You can do the same obviously with before you do that, just go to reset and tap on reset. That resets everything. And you can also use the analog version of the stopwatch. So you can do that, record a split, tap on lap, then tap on lap again, and it's going to go recording for you every single split time during the stopwatch recording. And then when you're done, just tap on stop. You'll have all your data there, and that's it. That's basically how to use the stopwatch. When you're done, just tap on reset and you can exit that. So that's how to use the stopwatch on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and good luck.